Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Pix Break. I am sure you are happy now. If you are not happy, so please be happy. So in this video, let's back to the topic. In this video, I will show you how you can convert your image into black and white portrait, a realistic black and white portrait. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the image of a beautiful girl I am using. I am downloading from splash.com. If you want to download this, you can go on Splash and search about girl. You can see on first. And if you want to use your custom image, that's your wish. You can use your custom image. If you want to use your image, so you can use. It's not a must. It's just example for showing you how you can convert your image into black and white portrait. So let's start the process. First of all, you need to create an adjustment layer. That's name is black and white. Okay, after that, this is a black and white adjustment, but it's not a properly black and white. So now fix this. First of all, we need to adjust the reds in this. So now bring reds into the back little bit. I think minus 45 is good. Yeah, this is good. After that, you need to bring the yellows to, wow, this is cool. Now it's time to adjust the greens. Bring back. After that, you need to adjust the cyan's colors. It's make the hairs and this jacket visible. So now adjust this. Okay, just after that, you need to adjust the magnetism. It's visible your amount. So this is a black and white adjustment. It's not okay, so let's rename this to black or white adjustment. After that, you need to just create one more adjustment layer. That's name is levels. After creating a level, you need to adjust this image. So now I am selecting the handle of a level a little bit is I think minus 6 is okay. After that, I'm bringing the right handle to the left and center handle to the right. Wow, this is looking cool. So after that, you need to create a group and rename to black and white. So now your image is converted into the black and white portrait. You can see the difference. Yeah, this is the original image and this is after effect. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so please subscribe to my channel, like the video, keep supporting, be happy. Thanks you so much for watching. Bye bye.